The last topic of this chapter, social responsibility of business, is business and environment protection. We are going to discuss the topic environment protection today. So, what is environment protection? Environment protection means freeing the environment from air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. We are freeing our environment from all type of pollutions. There should not be air pollution, there should not be water pollution, and there should not be noise pollution. We are freeing our environment from these type of pollution, that is called environment protection. Now every human being or every being living on this earth require clean environment. Even they are plants or the animals, everyone wants clean environment. Therefore the protection of environment is absolutely required. Now what are the threats to environment from business? The important question is as to why environment protection is being linked with the business. It appears to be absolutely reasonable to link environment protection with business because business has freely contributed to pollute the environment. Business is contributing pollution. Many type of pollutions are given by business to the environment. For example, you must have seen that all the rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, all the rivers are polluted. And why they are polluted? Because a lot of factories near the river banks are throwing their garbage into the river. That's why they are getting polluted. And from the point of view of environment pollution, there are three types of business units doing the damage. Some spread excessive smoke. Some businesses are spreading excessive smoke due to which air pollution is caused. Then other pollute water. Some are polluting water by throwing the garbage into the water, rivers, etc. And some spread noise pollution. Some businesses are polluting the noise also. Moreover, there are some business units which spread pollution of more than one type simultaneously. Therefore, there is no hesitation in saying that environment faces a threat from business. Business has already contributed a lot towards the pollution in the environment. So basically, we are going to study the types of business pollutions. Types of business pollutions. How many types of pollutions are given by the business to the environment? First is बच्चे air pollution. First is air pollution. Some business units use coal. They make use of coal. The smoke produced by coal pollutes the air. Similarly, some units use chemicals which produce poisonous gases. They are highly dangerous for all the living beings. Second is बच्चे water pollution. Yes, ma'am. Second is बच्चे water pollution. Business units generally pollute water in two ways: by releasing highly toxic things in the water of river, and secondly by allowing dirty waste laden water into the clean river water. They are doing water pollution also. Third one is बच्चे noise pollution. Some factories produce a lot of noise. People living in a noise polluted area fall victim of many diseases like deafness, violent behavior, mental disorder, etc. So noise pollution is very dangerous for the health. Fourth one is land pollution. Fourth one is land pollution. Dumping of toxic waste on land causes land pollution. It damages the quality of land, making it unfit for agriculture and plantation. So a lot of land pollution they are also creating. These are the four types of business pollutions which business is giving to the environment. Next topic is बच्चे need for pollution control. Why we need the pollution control? Why we need to control the pollution? Air, water, land are such precious environmental resources in the absence of which life on the earth is not possible. For the welfare of mankind, it is necessary to check them from getting polluted. To control pollution, the following are some of the main causes. If we will control the pollution, what will happen? Reduction of health hazards. Reduction of health hazards. These days you must have hearing that the environment in Delhi, the air pollution in Delhi is the level of air pollution is very much increased. It is dangerous for the health of the living beings residing there. So nowadays an uninterrupted increase in taking places in cancer and the disease related to heart and lungs. Pollution is its main cause. Pollution control will not only decrease these diseases but also provide convenient ways of leading a healthy life. If we will try to reduce the pollution, if we will try to control the pollution, then we will be able to live a healthy life. It will reduce the health hazards. Next is which is reduced risk of liability. Reduced risk of liability. The poisonous gases and contaminated liquids have an adverse effect on the health of factory workers. The poisonous gases and contaminated liquids have an adverse effect on the health of factory workers. Consequently, the factory owners are held liable for the compensation of their losses. Through the installation of pollution control equipment in the factory, they can escape this liability. If the health of the workers will be deteriorated, then the owners of the factory are liable to pay them compensation. So if you will try to control the pollution, liability will be reduced. Cost savings. Now, pollution control solution is also necessary for the reduction of cost of production. Working speed in a pollution